কা এনআৰচি সম্পৰ্কত মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীৰ গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ মন্তব্য অসমৰ বৌদ্ধিক মহল এতিয়াও বাওপন্থী লিবাৰেলৰ অধীন অসমৰ কা আন্দোলন আৰু দিল্লীৰ আন্দোলনৰ মাজত পাৰ্থক্য আছে ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় দৃষ্টিকোণেৰে কা আন্দোলন কৰা সকলে মুছলমান অনাটো বিচাৰিছিল অসমৰ আন্দোলনকাৰীয়ে হিন্দু মুছলমান উভয়ৰে বিৰোধিতা কৰিছিল আমি ঋগবেদৰ পৰাই সেকুলাৰ তেতিয়া লিবাৰেলৰ জন্ম হোৱা নাছিল অসমৰ অস্তিত্বৰ লগত দিল্লী চেন্নাই আন্দোলনৰ সম্পৰ্ক নাই
एनआरसी ये किसी भारत के नागरिक के विरुद्ध बनाया हुआ कानून नहीं है। भारत के नागरिक मुसलमान को सीएए से कुछ नुकसान नहीं पहुंचेगा। और विभाजन के बाद जो इतिहास हुआ है उसमें एक आश्वासन नेहरू लियाकत करार में दिया गया कि हम अपने देश की माइनॉरिटीज की चिंता करेंगे।
Again, we have to understand in two perspectives. The people who are agitating in the street of Delhi or Chennai against CA and who are agitating against CA in Assam, we have two different perspectives. Sometimes my friends in Delhi who oppose CA, they say that even in Assam people are opposing. But unfortunately, people has to understand that the debate on CA is not what actually people of Assam thinks or what is going on in Delhi, Madras, that is of a different nature, and what we think, a section of Assamese people think, it is a complete different in nature. First of all, the people who are agitating on NRC from a national perspective, their viewpoints is very, very communal. They say that why not you allow Muslim also? In Assam, our debate is different. You do not allow Hindu migrant, neither you allow Muslim migrant. So I will come to that. But what Sahinbag people say, they say that you allow Hindu but allow Muslim also. So sitting here, our left and liberal want to spread a voice that look for you entire country is with the people of Assam. No, nobody is there with you. Who are protesting against CAA, they are not with you. They are saying allow Muslim. And we are saying neither allow Muslim, neither allow Hindu. So they are not with us, neither we are with them. Nobody should be, when one of our young lady who got arrested in CA protest, the people who were agitating in Delhi, why they are not getting sympathy from people of Assam? Because they are saying that yes, government of India can allow Hindu citizenship, but allow Muslim also. So in Assam, we totally oppose that. I think in 100% we oppose. We may have a point of difference between Hindu and Muslim, but we are not in line with the argument made by the so-called secularists in Delhi. We totally oppose them. Primarily, the argument is very, very simple. On the day when India was partitioned, when Pakistani flag was hosted in the soil of Pakistan, these people were actually crying. They were not jubilant. Because they realized that we are victim of partition. We are not beneficiary of partition. People of Pakistan, that time people of Pakistan, the more particularly the Hindu people of Pakistan, they fought for a united independent India. Divided India were thrust upon them. They were freedom fighters, they have fought for the country, they have fought for the nation. But they are so unfortunate যে তেওঁলোকে যাৰ কাৰণে জীৱন দিলে, যাৰ কাৰণে বলিদান দিলে, ইনক্লুডিং লালা লাজপত ৰয়, what they got a communal country based on a particular religion.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰ।